a little bit to voice area. Okay, cool. We are gonna do this, and this is good framing live again for Orange Storm Giga from Elegoo, and we are going to play with it. Yeah. Hello everybody. Thank you for joining the stream. If you are joining, if you are not, sorry. If you are not, that's totally okay. But we are going to unbox these two huge Elegoo Giga Storms, and I'm trying to right now watch my own live so I can see your comments and eventually reply to you guys. But we will see. I don't know. I don't have expectations, and I might cut this part as well. So let's see how long it's going to take. So my friend Nick over here is going to help us. And we are going to see how we go. Why don't we start laying this one down first?
Sure. This side down?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Okay, this is ridiculous.
This is big, and I paid for this. Like, this is not a sponsored video. I didn't get unpaid for this. It's paid. I think I paid 1,700, 1,750, and then they started to send it to sponsor the content creators. They didn't send me, and I felt really bad because the content creator videos that showed in there was like not showing good results for this machine. So I was like, oops, what did I pay for? And then it came, and then it sit in the got in the entrance for a very long time.
Let me open this side.
Yeah. All right. Hello, Chicken Nugget 8201. Thank you for watching. Some of the subscriber names are really interesting. Chicken Nugget. Okay, we will need to trash all of things to the outside.
Should make a pile somewhere.
Outside? We will do that, I guess, but let's see how things are gonna go. Okay, let's open this one up. We have like 12 people watching this, so it's like a small group.
Yeah.
But when I was doing Creality K1 Max unboxing, 10,000 people watched that thing. I was like, okay.
It's popular. Oh my gosh. What is that rail?
I don't know. We're about to find out.
Does it need to be that thick?
I don't know. I don't think they do simulations or calculations on this thing at all.
That seems completely unnecessary.
Exactly, but
I love it.
well, it's bigger, better, you know. I never seen the opposite.
The grease on the rods is ridiculous.
Yeah. How are they going? Are these coming out now? Can you take that one?
I think they're like surrounding the rods, so you have to. If you pull.
Is this connected? Let's pull the bar, I guess. Okay. All right.
What?
Oh boy. Okay.
Do you want me to move it?
Can you put it towards that column over there? Okay. That's a very big.
The world. Gantry.
Yeah. That's the first. That's the side column. Yeah.
So this is the XY carriage?
Yeah, show it towards the camera more, I guess. It's the XY Gantry carriage. Yes.
The size of these rods is ridiculous.
Wait, 2 centimeters? 1 inch?
Yeah, about 2 centimeters.
2 centimeters. I think there's one more under this, yes.
And like, this is the motor driving it. That's ridiculous.
Yeah, there's a gear ratio in there too. I mean, technically, if you think of it, it's not going to be too heavy, but it's precision.
Yeah.
But
so silly.
I don't know how much engineering thought has been put on it. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Hola, imaginary person and big 3D printer. Nice. Yes, definitely. I'm curious how many big prints I will be able to do because I need a filament sponsor. If you guys are watching and if you want to sponsor filaments for this masterpiece, I need 10 kilos of rolls, 10 of them, 100 kilos. Send them my way.
You want me to put this to the side and help you out the next one?
Huh?
Should I put this over here and?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's take it to there and we will take one more of that out and then we will see how things are gonna go. Oh, okay, there's something else in here. With these
Brackets.
Can you show them close to the camera? Those are the very thick brackets that we need to take
Anodized
off.
aluminum?
Huh?
Are they aluminum?
I think so. I think everything here is aluminum. Maybe the rods are stainless steel, but probably the cheap ones, not those expensive stainless steel. How many do we have? 8?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Yeah, 8.
8 of those. Can we get landscape mode, please? Since I started the live vertical, I don't think I can do landscape, but I will give you a closer look. Oh, just a second. I will give you a closer look and an upper look from here. How about this? I think this will be much better. And we are like operating in a very limited space, guys, so please excuse me. This is not my normal recording studio thing.
These things come out.
What do you call it? The trash company will not like this.
It's caught on this piece of foam.
Okay.
Gosh.
Jesus. This is big and heavy.
This is the other side.
Yeah. One thing is, if this machine do not work, I'm going to take off one of my Prusa MK4s and swap the brain and controllers with it. And it will be a humongous Prusa orange Giga Storm or something. I don't know. And I believe without my friend Nick here, I wasn't able to do this. I cannot do this alone.
That's so ridiculous. So those two pieces are the same. They're just mirrored.
Yeah, those are gonna go to the sides. And imaginary person saying sounds better if you use the MK4 steppers. Yeah, because that stepper over there, we shoved it in a moment ago, is almost as same as the Prusa stepper. So there's another rod. There is another rod.
What do you call this? Is this like a custom 80-20 thing? Like it's a
I think
extrusion, but it's kind of a funky.
30 by 30? 25 by... No. 25 by 20? Yeah, so there's one more. I think those are lights.
Yeah, these are classic LED.
Yeah, like these. So, to show the size of this thing, I'm gonna sit inside this box. So this is me sitting inside the box, and I think we can literally put me inside that 3D printer and I can sit. So just to let you know.
Should I move this whole box?
I think we are gonna fill back with these nastiness and then put it outside. And can you put those to those corners? Yeah. Try to. Actually, I throw one in there. So we are packing the empty box back. All right. And here you go, one more. Right after we are done with this unboxing, we will move to assembly of this machine. And then I don't know.
And then calibration?
I don't think we have time for calibration.
I get the sense it's going to matter.
There's going to be part 2 maybe if you want to do the calibration and thing, but we will see. I think my longest live was either Porsche XL or the Iligo Neptune 4 Max. That was also. Actually, let's put it outside from
sure.
here to all the way to the thing. And that is one thing down for us. Now we are putting things to the trash. Trash is done. Yes. Now, back to the business. Oh, 63 people watching, nice. And it's been only 9 minutes. Good. Now we're gonna unbox the second part of it because it wasn't one part at all. Because there has to be.
This is the bigger box.
This is heavier too.
Oh gosh.
This is the base and
This.
this is the bottom.
Okay.
Oh shit. Okay.
Get it over a little more.
I'm so happy we are doing this because this was taking a lot of space in my room.
Yeah, you've
and-
completely freed up your front room here.
Exactly, because I was feeling extremely bad when I each time come to home because it was like, oh, there's a work waiting for me.
Yeah.
So maybe yeah, that might be it. Can you do this one?
Yeah.
All right. So if we can assemble this and start it before the food arrives,
That'd be nice.
that's the end of stream.
Okay.
And then I will do another stream another week to start it up or the other thing.
Totally.
Have you got a review for which one? Core 1 coming soon? Yes, Core 1 coming in couple days.
Nice.
When Core 1 comes in, I will do another unboxing live immediately. When I see it in my doorstep, I will do that. Okay.
Comes with plastic. Just
Oh, it's a kilo of filament. How? What do you call it?
generous.
Generous of, yes.
Yes.
I think I psychologically gave that information. Generous. Let's try to print it. Sure.
That'll
why
print
not?
you, one or two small Benjis, I guess.
Yeah. Small bench in a humongous 3D printer.
Wait, is Benji banned now?
I don't know. Okay, this is a screen.
That's a computer. That's not a screen.
It's a tablet. I can grab all those towards
Yeah, okay.
here because we can do the thing. And
That's ridiculous.
thank you. And what's this one? Ooh, okay. Can you show this to them too? It's like I
Yeah.
can grab the scissors from you. It's like a user manual and all those kind of stuff for us to play with
So-
eventually.
4 hot ends?
Yeah, I bought the multi-hot end one so that I can replicate things. But I was under the impression that I could use it for independently-ish maybe. But no, they has to be parallel. So you can only duplicate things. It's like an IDEX but 4 extruder heads.
Interesting.
Yeah. Okay. So this is a filament holder unit. Let's put this one in there. Can show these two.
It's pretty straightforward.
Yeah. This thing over here is the filament holder, the real one that holds the big stuff.
Oh, it's got space for the,
Yeah,
the rollers.
You just put those and
That's
these like
so funny.
yeah.
If it works, you
If
could
it works, it works.
store your shoes in this.
Yeah. All right. Are these open for a reason? Maybe they hide something under these. You know? These are empty. How about the extruder?
You know what? I was expecting it to smell like foam. It doesn't really smell like anything.
Probably it's because they have been sitting for 2
Oh,
months.
okay.
They just like. Did you show the extruder to
Oh,
them?
not yet. It has past quality control.
I bet there's a quality control on that thing.
It's got 2 fans.
Yeah, it's a massive screen. It's almost same as the one that I have in the Elegoo Gig or Elegoo Neptune 4 Max. So, is there? Do you see a leveling thing on it?
I think so.
Okay.
It's probably inductive.
Okay. I mean, at least there's a leveling thing.
Inductive probe here.
When they first come out, they come out without leveling probe, and you had to do manual leveling, and it was taking 30 minutes to an hour to level that shit.
Gosh.
Okay, let's pull this thing. I think you need to. Okay, all right. This is the Gantry.
Gosh.
All right. Okay, guys, this is the Gantry.
So many belts.
I don't know if it's. Let's see if it's seeable. I put the glue on my the lubricant on my hand, but this is the Gantry. So this entire thing is going to go back and forth,
So funny.
and this will do the thing. Okay, let's
I'm
move this.
surprised that this works with belts.
Yeah,
scale.
right. I think it's going to do skidding, but I don't think anybody yet tortured this machine long time enough, or they did and gave up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But we are about to find out because
Oh, there's more.
in this channel we have to do that.
Oh, this is the bed.
Okay, I think these other holes do not have anything in it.
Yeah.
I can put it here for the moment. Ooh, no.
What is that?
These are, if I remember correctly, leveling plates.
Oh,
You can show it.
just your standard leveling plate.
Yeah,
That's ridiculous.
it is ridiculous. And this is the entire build plate. Look at it. Like, not one single thing, but like four.
That's so funny. Is it just 4 of their standard, like bigger, like
Yeah,
smaller?
yeah. Do you see the
Yeah,
Elegoo
that one.
Max? That's that.
I guess that makes sense. You just scale it up by 4.
But the thing is, the dynamics doesn't work same when you
No.
scale things up. I hope they covered that end for the dynamics of this thing because I heard the opposite. Can you give me the last bit? Oh, is that an antenna? There's
Yeah.
an antenna over
Is
there.
it USB port?
Yeah, and the USB port. I think then is that mean that we can do remote upload of the prints? Probably.
Got
How are we
several
going to
ports
move
over
this?
there too.
Oh, I
Do
see
not
the
step.
power on button.
Is this all metal?
Yeah, hunk.
Oh my gosh. Do you want to try and grab the
Yeah.
fan? Yeah.
Let's lift it all the way up.
Okay.
Yes. Oh, look at the feet.
Oh, there's some 80/20 for you.
Yeah.
Okay, let's-
I think let's show that too.
This is so heavy.
Wait. Hold it. I'm gonna grab the camera to show some stuff really close.
Yeah.
So if you guys wanna look under it, this is the under it. These are leveling feet over here. Let's show it like these are leveling feet.
These are all spring loaded
Yeah, those are the 80/20s and springs.
and like heated
Yeah.
back plate. Yeah.
Those are going to be helping us to level the bed.
This whole thing's metal.
Yeah, it's hunk of metal. That's why I think it's a good investment in terms of the hardware.
Yeah.
Software and firmware, I'm not sure about that. We're about to find out.
It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cooling fans on the bottom.
Well, I could put this to basement and it still have a cooling problem. Okay, let's lift it from here.
Okay,
maybe?
do we want to walk it over to where we're going to be putting
Yeah,
it?
yeah,
Okay. Don't want to get the
Yeah.
bed level out of whack. Let me step. Wait.
Oh, you good?
Yep, got it.
All right, then you go, I follow you.
Okay, yep. That's a big old bolt.
Yep. Well, guys, I started going gym just because of these unboxing videos, not because of girls. So
Do it for
don't
the
get me
fans.
wrong. shit show. Wait, I need to drop it.
Yep.
Woo!
Okay.
Let's bring it.
Here, I'll go back and then you can go
Okay,
back.
Wait, I had a wheelie thing that we could have used. Shit, I forgot. Where's the back of this thing?
This is the antenna, so I think this is probably near the front for the USB.
This is the back.
Warning labels.
Yeah, this is the back.
So
Lower end. Okay, let's turn it that way. Okay, guys, we are gonna show you this process in a minute, but we need to first put it somewhere. Oh my god!
so
This is going to be bigger than I expected.
yeah.
All right, so I am putting this to my living room. So it seems like this is going to be a long printing nights where I will be hearing it. So I assume there's nothing else left inside this thing.
Let's look underneath that last piece really quick. I don't see anything. No.
And this one doesn't seem coming out, so. Okay, let's put this back. Crazy stuff.
I mean, the packing was pretty good. Like,
Yeah. I mean, I also paid extra for shipping, which is extra 100 and 100. I don't know, was it included in the price or the packing? Or just shipping? Oh, the other way. Okay. Well, good news, guys. We finished the unboxing of this thing. That was very sweaty business, I guess. I feel like I'm very tired already. Here.
yeah. Yep.
Puzzle.
Last piece over there.
Yep. The other way. All right. I think this is good in terms of that. Okay.
Yep.
And now we're gonna put this one out again.
Yep.
Let me trash these and yeah. All right, guys, this is as fast as we can go, but we need to trash them outside. Let me push this for you. Okay. All right.
So much room.
Yeah. So much room in here. Now we are going to carry the machine. How much this printer? 2,000-ish, I think, since this is not a Kickstarter anymore. And this is where the machine is going to be. And let's light this place up a little bit. And oh, everything fallen. I'm gonna put the Pikachu here. Good idea. All right, lights. Let's bring the lights to there. Yeah, thank you. All right, we are adjusting the lights at the moment for a better view, especially for you people. For a really short moment, I might have unplugged the Wi-Fi. We will see if it's going to work or not. And there's one right over there. I can Okay. I think I can go under.
Okay.
All right. Things we do for social media.
Yeah.
All right. This is light up enough. Cool. So now we are going to do a lot of assembly. Hello. So maybe I should put this camera a little bit back. And let's
Is the
swap
food here yet?
places. I did not receive. Did you see? Okay, wait. I don't know. How long has it been? 25 minutes so far?
About.
Okay. All right.
Is there an instruction manual?
Yes, we need to check the instruction manual. Before that, I think let's get some of the... Actually, we showed all the pieces.
Yeah, I think so.
So maybe we should not do that. Orange Giga Storm. We are going to do the assembly. This is intimidating. Oh my god, so much things.
Yep. We'll get the
Okay.
tools.
Oh. We will start with those sides and we will put the sides first. Okay. Double pin alignment installation. So we will put those sides like this to the sides first and
Yeah.
then start assembling the stuff. There are so many screws and fasteners here.
This is the filament sensor.
So big for the entire thing. It's funny. All right. How are we looking? Good?
I don't know.
There's no connection on this thing. Okay. Yeah, I unplugged the Wi-Fi, but this should be back. All right, let's go back. And how are we doing, guys? Up, down, vroom, vroom. Okay. Thank you for vroom, vroom. Huh. Seems
I'm
like
still rebooting the router.
maybe.
Okay. We can start with one of the side pieces.
Yeah. I'm glad that the phone wasn't just on Wi-Fi.
Yeah. Which one's which?
That's the top. This is the bottom. So let's bring that one in. And I find the... Which one is which? I don't know. Which, okay. Does it have the Create the Future logo on it?
They both do.
Okay. All right. We will figure it out on the way then. The bottom profile of the Z-axis left, Z-axis right assemblies have corresponding double pinholes, so you should align them correctly during installation. Okay, so it means that they have their own alignment thing, so...
So that
It's top.
is top. Okay. If you want to take that end, we can rotate.
Yes! This way? Let's put it on this way. Oh, wait.
No.
There's a socket in there.
Yeah.
Can you
So
put...
there's the cables.
Yeah, we need to remove the cables all the way so we don't want to crush it. Okay. Sure.
My side's right.
I just don't know which one is which.
That might just be symmetrical.
I hope so. It says there's an alignment pin. I don't see the alignment pin.
Oh, that might have been it.
What does this Z minus mean? Z minus? There's a Z1 and Z minus. All right.
Let's see.
How many power supplies does this thing have?
So many.
3? 4. I see 4 power supplies.
So I think we're right. So this one has the black on the front, and that side's like gray. I'm pretty sure this is the right
Okay.
side.
Worst comes out, we have unscrewed it.
All right, how do we bolt that thing down?
There's this. What do you think about this alignment pin thing? I did not see it.
I think that's the clunk that I heard.
Ah,
So
okay.
I think it's there. I think it's
Now
currently.
yeah, maybe. True.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. What's the next step? Does it say?
We put the screws in, so that's
What is the screw that they want? Does it say?
HM 6x45.
So we are going
This
to
one?
do metric 645 millimeter screws in.
4 per side.
Yeah, 4 per side. So let's do that. This side, and I will do this side, and
Okay,
you do the other side.
sounds good.
Oh, can I get the bond smaller?
This one?
Wait, if this is MC, where is that one? That thing is going. You know what I'm saying? That seems very big. So, in the previous live video, I broke the Allen key that came with the Prusa XL while I was fastening their dogs. I hope I don't break this one.
Just too strong from going to the gym, Dwan.
I think gym is working, man.
Yeah.
Or the Allen key was piece of shit.
Or that.
Okay, he's bringing the other side, and do you wanna plug that one? Okay. Do you need my help to rotate it?
Oh, no, I got it. I'm just getting these out of the...
Nick is the strongest in this room right now.
It's not saying a lot, Dwan. There's only 2 of us.
Huh?
There's only 2 of us, Dwan.
So. Okay, one more and we're good. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is a bad idea to assemble this thing in here, you know what I'm saying?
Well, you might have to disassemble it later to get it out.
Yeah, that's going to happen for sure. Damn, this place is filling up.
Yeah.
I remember my friend, it's Boy in Space, actually had this in his living room as a table or something like that for a very long time. If he's watching, hello Ben. Okay, well, since I'm here, I also plugged Z1 to Z1 and Z minus. I think Z minus is the sensor, leveling sensor, Hall effect sensor.
Might be.
Do you think this is a Hall effect sensor? I think it's a Hall effect sensor.
Looks like it.
It sees the object and then stops.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get back.
Could be an IR sensor if it's like...
Maybe. I could not recognize it immediately. Is it under? I am holding it.
Yep.
Oh. Maybe not.
There it goes.
This side definitely is not aligned. Okay.
There we go.
Yep. So since again I'm here, I'm plugging the Z2 motor here, and Nick is putting the M8, M6 45 millimeters. See, this is my height. This is the machine's height. Let's see if you guys can see it from the screen properly, because I don't know. Oh, I think you guys can see it. Logger says that's massive. Damn, that's huge. That's what she said. I had to do it. I'm sorry. I had to do it. It's a huge machine.
It is ridiculous.
While Nick is putting those screws in, is there any questions that I can answer for you guys? Comment down below to 40 heroes that are still watching. It's been 34 minutes so far. And this assembly is going on.
I think I'm missing one of the M6s.
No! I thought I measured it. There were like literally 8 of them.
You put 4 off to the side, but might have rolled somewhere.
Probably. Let me see if I can connect back to the live from here. Okay. Good, I can see it. Perfect. The massive printer is continuing to build up, guys. Here, I guess.
Yep.
Okay, the step 2 is done. We put 8 screws in. Now the next step is putting those square brackets. Let's grab those, and it's asking for MH6, metric 6, 40 millimeter. What, MH640? No, MH640 and 30. Okay, MH640 here, MH630 here. And okay, I will go grab the brackets.
On the table.
Huh?
They're on the table.
Yeah, thank you. These things are shit solid. Ew. Maybe I shouldn't use the poop word on live. I didn't realize that. Oops. Okay, I will grab another Allen wrench. You can start that if you want. Let me find another one to speed this progress up. I feel so relieved when the entrance opened up, you know.
I'll take care of the guests. 6 by 30. Just 2 of them or 4 of them? Oh, okay, so it's 6 by 30 in the little ones, and then 6 by 40 in the longer ones.
Now something on my life will be missing all the time. That corridor.
Yep.
Okay, I might have a better solution for us.
Oh, yes. Now we're talking.
Automatic screwdrivers. I hope these will work. It's a push mostly. Wait, we are gonna put 4 of these per corner? Dang.
Yeah, it's how they keep it from wobbling.
Well, that seems like a good idea. Which one is 40? Outer ones are 40, inner ones are...
Yep. Oh, right. I always go one size too big because I'm like, the 6 goes with the 6. No, it's the 5.
Okay, we are putting these corners so that this thing doesn't wobble. I wanna see their simulations if they did it.
The longest beams.
I'm curious, if I sit on this, will it work?
Do not step on the heated bed area. Now, is that because it'll burn your feet or because it'll break?
We are about to find out. Because in the next video, beep. Oh, there's an e-stop switch.
For the printer?
Yeah, here. It doesn't look like e-stop, but it
Nice.
says e-stop switch. All right, this one seems like working in there. Oh, the other side.
So they also have them on the top.
Yep.
Okay.
I see those people from Elogo at Form Next. They brought one, and I see them disassembling one and putting it inside of their van and moving it around. It was like a very hard job. Like,
Yeah. Feel kind of bad for them.
yeah, I do feel too. They brought. I hope they didn't bring it from China. You know, maybe they brought it from China. But after what I see in terms of huge printers and phone necks, this is nothing.
Yeah. What was the biggest one you saw?
It's truck sized.
What?
I think I showed it on my YouTube channel a little bit on the shorts, but I will show you in person specifically too. It's like a truck with a CNC inside of it that's printing material on a plywood.
And what's the use case for that?
I have no freaking idea. House? Probably houses. Maybe I should change the title of this live to "She Said That's a Huge Printer." Whatever it takes for a clickbait. Technically, it's a big printer, so it's not a clickbait. But
It's just true.
what is this one? There is a cable, but it doesn't reach to the where it's
It's a-
supposed to reach.
LED strip, I think.
Yeah, but it doesn't go to the where it's supposed to go. Okay.
Okay, so that's the bottom.
We're about to find out. You done?
Almost finished.
Okay, since I'm here, I'm gonna connect another sensor cable that is called Z plus.
Instead of Z minus.
The Z minus was your side. This is Z plus. I don't know why they call it this way, but sure, whatever. Language barrier. I'm gonna call it. All right, this step is done. We put the fasteners in there. Oops. I dropped lots of screws in. We are also waiting for the food at the same time, so we're gonna see how this event will turn out. Okay. Next step is we put the corner brackets, top rear profile installation, top front profile installation. Okay, for the top rear profile installation, we are gonna use metric 628 millimeters. Metric 630. Where's metric 628? Okay, this one. Metric 628 millimeters. And what is SWM6? What?
I do not know.
Okay. 4 pieces of M6 28 and maybe that to secure the top rear profile, then proceed to install the corner brackets on both left and right sides of the top profile. For this you will use two different sizes of screws, metric 4 and metric 30, which we did already. Insert. Okay, then the front one is almost the same. Let's do that.
Okay.
And see how things are gonna go. All right, the bars are here. So I think the one with the logo is the front, obviously.
Yeah.
Here you have this one. Let's start putting it to the back. I think it's talking about these two. And
Yeah. Probably like
those are M628.
They go like this.
Yeah, I assume so. But is this side this way or is that side this way?
So there's the two screws. Will this side get those as well?
Yeah.
I'm pretty
No,
sure.
this one is down. What I was saying is this alignment is not centered, so this way, you know what I'm saying?
What is this for?
I have no idea. Let's look at it one more
Yeah.
time.
I don't know what goes into that.
I believe it's towards the back of it.
Okay.
And filament holder is going there. So I don't think that matters to me.
Okay.
So just to let you guys know, this top rear bar has an non-centered holes going all the way. So we make it closer to the end of the printer, rear of the printer rather than. Okay. I need to fill it, to pull it back.
Are these attaching to like,
I have no idea. Filament detection?
maybe?
But these are lights, aren't they? No, I don't know. Can I get one more? Oh, thank you.
Set in 4.
Let's fasten it. I put all of them inside that box. Oh, this is not the right size, okay.
Yeah.
It must be this one then. M4? H4? Yes, H4. Alright, this one is done. Let me see how the view is going. It's going good. Oh, I didn't see the comment. Okay. 3D printer, right? Sure. Huge. I gave the Creality K1. I have the Creality K1C. It's good printer. Bamboo Lab. If Bamboo Lab makes this big, I'm paying my money to Bamboo Lab. Why it's so big? Because why not? I like paint. I have only 8-inch Flash Forge Adventure 5 Pro. Cool. Oh my god, the LOE Omega. Cool. Yeah, guys, like it's big. Don't get me wrong, but it's big.
The front piece now?
We can do that, or we can put the, how do you say, the brackets into the back.
Oh, sure. Let's do that first.
So we're gonna use Matrix 640 and Matrix 630, two of them again, to plug in the corner bracket. So if you guys are watching this video to assemble your own Lego, because you are crazy like me and bought one, this is your guidance.
You know, it's pretty straightforward, all
It
things
is.
considered.
It's just big, you need one more person.
Right.
I think with your help, you will have one check from me that I will print something you want on this machine.
I'll accept that.
Okay.
I do have a great sword 3D model
Sure.
I'm making that might fit in the build volume.
And I can make a content with it. So
Yes. How's our food?
So they said it's 40 to 60 minutes. So I'm gonna check the phone in a minute after this one.
Okay.
To see what's the situation of the food.
I still can't get over the rails.
Huh?
The vertical rails are just so ridiculous.
Yeah.
The bearings on that.
I just resaw those bearings and yes, you are right. How much grease did I need to put on this thing over time? Because their grease that they gave is like so tiny.
Yeah, there's no way that's gonna last.
Maybe one grease per bearing, like. Oh, we did that, right? Okay, cool. Let me check the food. We need to eat, guys, because we don't run on electricity. Right, I have 7. Right, I have never seen such a massive 3D printer. I want to know what it's called. It is called Illigo Orange Giga Storm Mega. That's how it's called.
It's a ridiculous name.
It's a
For a ridiculous
name
printer.
too. Exactly. So can I do this without stopping my live? 3 minutes ago I saw something. Is that a 3D printer? Yes, it's a 3D printer. It's a humongous 3D printer that we are going to 3D print humans. Okay, Let me see if it's here. Not yet. But 3 minutes ago there was a notification which is probably, hey, your driver is on the way.
Yep.
It is not sponsored, guys, but we ordered Uber Eats. Maybe they can sponsor me. Uber Eats gives you the food. Okay, we have the other bar next going up.
Yep.
Okay.
Got the screws here.
Okay. One interesting thing is they didn't put any spares. So if you lose one, you're out. You need to wait until you get the spare.
I mean, it's kind of hard to lose one, but
Well, depends on the mood. Sometimes people clumsy. In Prussia, there's always one extra-ish.
yeah,
So I always see it coming out.
it's like Lego.
Yeah. All right. Okay, this is going good.
All right.
Yep. Smooth and fast. Here, two more here.
I feel like the last piece is going to be the hardest.
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, we are coming to the point where we need to install the gantry. No, we are not scared to install the gantry, but we're gonna install it, and it's big and heavy. I think my new idea for myself to make live streams while doing unboxing is helping me to do more videos, do unboxing more, because I don't like to spend time on unboxing videos much.
Yeah.
But when you do it live, sure, it's as is out there. But there are some companies, they say, no, we want controlled content. Some companies, not all of them.
Not naming names.
Yeah, no names.
How did I do this? I managed to get it like stuck into a groove.
Oops.
There we go.
All right. Good. This is moving forward. Oh my god. So, machine setup and installation for the gantry. Use metric 625mm, which is this one. And sequentially to install support plates on the left and right sides. Sure. 2 for each. Yes. Pass the screws through the corresponding holes on the support plates and secure them during installation. Sure. Z-axis caterpillar cable track installation. Metric 425. This one. 2 pieces screw to pass through the corresponding holes to secure caterpillar cable track components, the XY assembly profiles. Sure. Clip installation M36. Metric 36. Metric 36. Metric 36. This one. 2 piece. Middle position of the caterpillar track, diagram 10. Alright. End fixation caterpillar cable, metric 36. 3 pieces screw to install and secure. Diagram 11. Sure. Where is that? This one. Okay. And Z-axis right hand stop. Metric 3. two-piece. Are they on the same thing? I'm not sure. Yeah, about to find out, I guess. Okay. There's so much more to do, but we are closer to the end.
Okay. That's on there.
Yep. Cool. One more thing done. Let's bring
Yes.
the bad boy.
It's pretty
This
rigid.
one shakes. Obviously, it's gonna shake. Du-du-dum, du-du-dum. The Gantry. I mean, we better be building a CNC machine at this point too.
Okay.
Which one is up? Which one is top? This one. Okay,
Is the
this
bottom.
way.
Yeah, so this is
Bottom.
towards me.
That's the back.
And then wait, is the belt on this side or that side?
I
side?
think this is that is back, so the belt will be
Back.
that side.
Okay.
Okay, let's lift it up and try to fit it in. All right, not too shabby.
Second.
Yeah, amazing. I'm glad they have securing holes, those kind of stuff, so that's good.
Nice.
It's getting there.
Ridiculous.
Now we have 8 more pieces to put in. Oh, maybe we need to balance it first by turning
Oh,
it.
different Z height.
Yep.
Before we tighten it down anyway.
Yeah. I'm gonna lower this one.
You want to level?
Yeah, I think this is level enough, maybe. Well, I'm having my expectations low about this machine's print quality, so if it prints good, I will be very happy.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to screw them all in until we have all of them in, so that that doesn't cause any locking issue. Is it the locking issue we can say?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are gonna find out.
Oh.
I mean, my longest 3D printer assembly might be still ANET A8.
Why is that so much longer?
Huh?
Why was it so long?
Everything is disassembled, like the board and the cables and
gotcha.
everything. So it might actually compete with Prusa's i3, MK3 first ones.
Yeah, that was a long one.
Yeah, that was a long one. I made a video about it too, but never published it because I didn't want to edit it so long.
Yeah.
I believe it would be watched a lot though. I'm gonna fasten this one now.
I haven't fully tightened it, but. I can tighten them whenever you're ready.
Yeah, ready. Let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, now we're fully tightening them in. Okay, what is next? Z Caterpillar table, that one. Okay, I'm gonna grab something to cut it. So much oil in my hands.
Yep.
All right, this is coming to the end very soon, very soon. What the? Okay.
It's a triple layer chain.
Uh-huh. What? Oh, you you fastened the
Yep.
zip tie in there.
Yep. Maybe we can pull it out? Probably not.
I couldn't do that.
Nope. Okay. Welp.
Oh. we have to do a little bit adjustment. Don't forget to take out the zip ties, guys, before you do the thing, because you might over screw the zip tie, so you cannot pull it out.
Okay,
Thank you.
there we go.
Okay, next step is to do that caterpillar thing.
How do we do that? Where does it go?
Do you want to take a look? It will go down that way, I guess.
Oh, interesting.
Like this?
Yeah.
Or no, like this. To the here, to the pillar. But how? Do they show orientation?
It just looks like it's screwing directly into it, into the back corner. But oh, here it is.
P425.
These 4 little holes.
Yeah, P425. Diagram 9. Yeah, P425. Let me give it to you. 2 of them?
Mm-hmm. And then they all plug in down here.
Yeah. All right. Here you go, sir. Do you have heads for it?
Not.
All right. We are putting. He's putting them, and I will put the next step, I guess. What does it say? P3 M6, the second middle position. P3 M6, 2 pieces secure the middle position. Okay. P3 M6.
Do they have a driver that for this size? It's like a 2.5 or something?
They might have, but I'm not sure. I mean, this guy is definitely have.
Yeah, you can toss one of those. Yep.
P3 M6. Caterpillar cable. Which one though? P3 M6 secure middle position. So we're gonna use this one and these two. Okay. I really don't know where it is going, but it will go somewhere, I guess. I think we are right in the middle section, that's why I don't see the holes.
Yeah. Okay. That's aligned.
No, don't go. I dropped the screw because I don't have extra screws.
Exactly enough. Just use hot glue.
Sure. Okay. Yeah, everybody's like grease now.
Okay.
It's right in this corner. Yep.
Gotcha.
Yep. Good, thank you. Done more. Okay. If you can put it on this one. This is like tiny
How many hands do you need?
surgery. So tiny.
Good thing we have a 3D printing doctor in the house.
If your 3D printer needs a surgery, hit me up. 3D printing doctor @gmail.com. No, that's not true, by the way. Okay, the next step is diagram 11. We are going to use the end fixation M36 3 pieces screws to install, secure them to the corresponding hole. Okay.
These 3 holes down here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And from there 3 more fasteners. Okay, I will leave that to you because I'm too squeezed in here. And food seems like still not here, but I'm gonna check the door one more time. All right, that's interesting.
Not yet?
No? Should be here though. Let's see how long has it passed since we started this live stream, guys. Okay, 40 minutes yet? No? 65 minutes, so it should be coming soon.
Wait. The holes, okay, there's a different hole pattern. The cable chain doesn't match up with the holes, but I can use a different slot for that.
Okay.
It's fine.
19 minutes ago it says meet your door dash coming soon, so should be here though. Okay, are you guys building a massive 3D printer right now? Yes, we are building that. What is it called? Orange Giga Storm. Wow, that's massive. Yes, I hope the price for that was low, $1,700. I wanna know what is it called. We already said that, but Elegoo Orange Storm Giga. I bought it $1,700 because of the Kickstarter campaign. Can you 3D print Ryan Reynolds? Maybe if Ryan Reynolds has a model of himself. But we can print Dwayne Rock Johnson because we have his model. Is a 3D printer? Yes. Print me a girlfriend. I don't think that's possible, dude. Glass fiber? No. This is so sick. Yes. I don't know what top zero says. What is the dimension? It's almost a meter cube print volume. How did you afford it? I work hard. Adam Robert says, oh, okay. Robin says to Adam, 800 millimeter, 800 millimeter, and 1000 millimeter print volume. Yes, that is correct. Yes, thank you. I like when my followers answer them themselves. Answer each other too. That's good. But now I'm curious why the food is not arrived.
I hear a car outside.
I hear too. We need to hear the door. But the thing is, if it's not arrived yet, and if there's a problem, I cannot stop the live stream. That's the disadvantage we are at in now. Hey, let's hope it works. I just made their sponsored thing.
I'm going to do just 2 screws instead of 3 because the third one is really hard to get in there.
Okay. I might try that. Z right and stop installation. What? Where are we installing that? That looks a little bit awkward. Diagram 12.
And that's here.
Oh, can I get the thing? Is the okay? I think you are right. It's going to be hard because I can see the hole is a little bit off center in there. Okay, can I swap place with you to try to put the
Go
one?
for it.
It's okay.
Not the most ergonomic of
No,
assemblies.
definitely not. Definitely, we are working in a really harsh condition here. Okay, this is a challenge. And this fastener doesn't have a what do you say? magnetic holding. So it's not working. All right, I got it in. Yes. Did you maybe? Okay, where does that thing go? I still don't understand.
Yeah, maybe it's on this rail.
It's on the both rails. Z left, Z right, and stops. And stops, like what? Show somewhere here.
It looks like it's where it attaches to the vertical rail and the vertical slider, like next to that
Right,
post.
this one, right?
Yeah,
But I don't see it. Do you see anything that?
I didn't see it when I looked.
Oh, here. Might be in the here too.
Yeah, there's two. Well,
Okay.
two holes right here. Yeah,
Yeah, we find it. It's towards front.
that's for this thing. It goes down and
Yeah.
sticks into it. Can I have one?
Yes.
I just love that for some reason they couldn't have this pre-installed as it's just a single L bracket.
So that I think it's more like shipping purposes.
Yeah.
Right? It will be definitely bent with it.
Yeah.
If it doesn't bend, we will bend it probably.
It's pretty funny that
Yeah.
this is the end stop. It's just a little
Big
optical
L
sensor
bracket,
of some
yeah.
kind. Maybe it's Hall effect.
But the thing is, I don't think this is right. No.
I think it's right.
I think you are putting it right. I'm putting it wrong.
Oh.
No.
Yeah, it should just go down in line with the rail,
Yeah.
or the rod, and then
Mine was like the opposite. So I was trying to put it towards interior.
so much grease.
Yeah, I feel so greasy. Oh, no, it has to go all the way down there, right? No, okay. All right, we put the end stops that are the cheapest end stops ever, maybe.
At least they're powder coated.
Yeah.
Something.
But if you think of it, they manufacture how many of those? Like 500,000 maybe? And stops are here, so they're good. Did you fasten them?
Not yet.
Okay. So end stops are here. Now the time to put the extruder head. Metric 3 M6 2 pieces to secure the front holes of the print head. And metric 310 2 pieces to secure the rear holes of the front end. Okay. Cool. Now we are going to do the extruder head attachment. Oh wait, I squeezed the entrance of this place. That doesn't look good. Let me check the door one more time to see the food there or not.
Yeah.
It is arrived.
Amazing. We made it.
But I think it was arrived before because I was looking through the window. It was like bottom left corner. So this might be a little bit cold.
That's okay.
Okay. How do we do this? So why don't you? I'm gonna show you really quick. Then I will continue assembling it because
Okay.
I don't want people to wait much. But here are the plates you can use, and you can. Yeah, I can. Just let me know if you need something.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay, guys. So where were we? We got the food. It's 6:30 p.m. And how much for one of these? 1,700 to 2,000, something like that. Why not printing that? We need life-size Pokemon. Sure, we will do that. Definitely, it's gonna happen. Like, I promise you, I'm gonna print really big Pokemons. But I just need filament, and they are not cheap to deal with. So now I'm gonna use metric 3 6 2 pieces of the thing. And okay, this is the extruder head. I was planning to finish this before the food arrives, but didn't happen, so life. So I'm gonna assemble the other section. I know you guys are seeing my back right now mostly, but sorry. And now I'm gonna swap place, and we will assemble the two metric 310 millimeter screws to the back of it. Wada. That's a very interesting screw hole in there. I literally don't know where to. Okay. Alright. Come on. That's not fair. They didn't cut the hole properly, so it doesn't go in where it's supposed to go in. It's like a eyeball style, like it's a snake eye style cut, slut cut. Is it slut cut? Okay. Now I pushed it all the way down. I'm gonna cut it. Did I take your microphone or? Okay, cool. Thank you.
I assume people didn't want to hear me. It's not ASMR.
Well, my best videos are ASMR, to be honest with you, almost. Some people love those kind of stuff. Okay, now this is done. And now we are going to plug in this cable since I'm here, which is plugged in. I don't know if there's an orientation. Yes, there's an orientation, but you cannot plug it in the wrong orientation. That's good. Now, I fastened the first two and second two. Whew, screen installation. Snap in the screen fastener to be installed on the profile, making clicking sound. Let's do that. And screen. Does it taste good? You like it? Cool. Awesome. Is this your first Turkish lahmacun? Cool.
Get that one place together.
Yeah, the Walton. Okay. So this is the humongous screen. We're gonna play with this later on. Humongous. And this one plugs into here.
What is that cable type?
I have no idea.
Video and power, or just power?
This one?
It's probably just power and data.
Yeah, definitely. I would like to have this one like with a chord style, you know, the accordion style ones. It might be better visual too. Okay, we plug the screen thing, spool holder and filament detection system. Let's do that too. Sure. Spool holder. It's in the kitchen. Let's do that. And what's the screw we want in there? Metric 425 and metric 425. Okay, two pieces of metric 425 will go into that area. And are we going to use this one, Malinki? Yes, we are going to use this one. Yeah, these two holes over here are for the spool holder. Oh my god, this filament from the spool holder to the extruder head is going to be crazy. Like, see that gap? Like, it's gonna pull from here to there. It's so much resistance. I expect under extrusion.
I feel like the PTFE tube is going to be like hitting the carriage.
Yeah.
And there's tension of that.
Yeah. That's probably why they left that PTFE tube that long, so that it hits the carriage first.
Yeah.
But like, man, like, come on, man, like, this is nuts.
I just think it's absurd to design a FDM printer for standard 1.75 millimeter filament at this scale.
Yeah, definitely. Like at least use 3 millimeters film. I don't know, because how big of a nozzle can I put in there? Like one, yeah. There's 2 millimeter nozzle too. If you print slow enough, you can do 2 millimeter nozzle in there.
In the nozzle.
Yeah. Yes. Now we are going to install the filament detector. Spool holder assembly filament detection installation. And filament detector is here. Let's put this one in. Oh, wrong fastener. But it's like, yeah, I think all those tiny cables are filament detectors. Cables.
I guess it makes sense to put the detector at the top.
Yeah.
Instead of at the nozzle.
So I can put 4 nozzles, but I don't know if I can handle one.
Wait,
I can add 4 of them side by side.
why?
I don't know. It's just possible, right? So this is the grease that they give. This is the grease. Okay, I need to take you off for this. Let's relocate you. So this is the grease that they give, and that's the bearing size in one column. And you have 4 of them. You know what I'm saying? It's like mismatch over here. Well,
You didn't pay enough. The grease is extra. That's where they cut the corners.
sure. It was a Kickstarter project that I clicked on sport. And there's the filament guidance system over here. I guess this is for the extra big thing that I have over there so that I can plug it in. Yeah. Yeah. That's something new. But is it done? I think it's kind of done. No? Yes? No? Now we've plugged in the filament detection sensor. There's this one over here that needs to be plugged in. I think this too. Yes. Plugged in. Cool. And the other one is the motor, which I plugged in over there. There's these cables that we need to deal with. It says X minus goes to the X minus. Yes, and X goes to the X. That's good. And then what else we have here? That what? That 0 or that 1? Uh-oh. There's Y that connects to the Y. That's good.
Just label them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That would be more easy, to be honest with you. Y minus go to the Y. And there's this cable. But like there's one that cable here. Says that. I don't know which that it goes. There's that 0 and that 1. And I think that's the LED. But also it doesn't go to the LED position. You know, like
Yeah.
it's not long enough.
You can just plug it in and see what happens.
So I'm gonna pull it like this. And that 0 or that 1, pick one.
That's 0.
Okay, let's do this.
I'm
0.
doing MATLAB up in here.
Sure. I miss MATLAB. I haven't used it for a long time. Do you guys use MATLAB? Comment down below.
Python is supreme.
Python the supreme. Yeah, it ate up everything. Now everything is Python. Okay, I plugged this one in too. It was saying use that 0 port for filament detection. So we did it right. Thank you. Good catch. And we connected that. We connected this. Now I have 4 big power supplies in this thing that I need to swap to 110 volts. What?
I think it came pre-configured. I thought The box said it was 110 volt.
Yeah, but it is saying 230. They don't change these things mostly.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, both of them. Okay, both of them 130. No.
Are there any on this side?
Yeah, I don't know. Check it out. Okay, guys, you need to be careful about this thing because if, for example, I bought this to United States and they ship it with the switch is at 230 volts. Now I swap 4 switches to 115.
There's one here. I'm switching as well.
Gorgeous. See, that's a mistake. That's how you cook the printer. Well, technically in USA you don't cook the printer because it's lower than its volume. But if you're somewhere else, you might have cooked it. Oh, 115, yeah. This is the power cable. Okay, I've been hitting things. Somebody, okay, 3D and the T printing says full-size chairs are sitting in the room about 7 feet tall. Sure, I might do that. They really should have standard. They really should have made this 2.85 millimeter machine with a 1 millimeter nozzle standard. It's a filament hog. I agree with you. There's also the other thing here is this thick power cable. How many amps is this going to pull?
Just enough.
Wait, I need to read that because we can. Oh, I cannot push it. Cool.
Like no wobble.
Wait, it is 104 kilos. 1530 watts. Where is the amp? Yeah, I need to divide it. God damn it. Okay, it's 110 volts and 115, so it's like 15 amps.
The wattage?
Yeah, watt is 1530. Volt is 115. If you divide that,
13 amps.
13 amps. I don't think this is 13 amps. It doesn't reach. It
So
doesn't.
Yeah, 1.5 kilowatt. Which is a lot. It's like a super gaming PC, basically.
Yeah, but also washing machine.
Yeah.
Okay, I want to run this and show the screen and level it, but
I feel like 90% of that's just heating the bed.
yes, let's push it a little bit.
Oh gosh.
I might need wheels under this. Let's
Yeah.
push it this way too.
That might affect your print quality.
Oh, obviously.
You need is a little pallet jack. Just scoot it around.
I agree with you. I cannot keep asking you to come help me. All right. All right. Power up.
Sounds like a spaceship.
Yeah, it sounds like a spaceship. All right, guys. This is powering up. Let's look at it closely. And we are going to end this video after I home this, and I will make another live with you for the first print. Oh, okay. Let's rearrange the light so it doesn't reflect back. Okay, it's good. Whew. All right. Oh, okay. System is currently booting. Look at the system chart over here. And they give a really, you want to come this way?
Yeah, I'm gonna come through.
They really give a small length of cable, so I don't like it because I cannot move it anywhere else.
Yeah.
And I have nozzle kit over here. This is the nozzle kit that I have. The biggest I have 0.8 millimeters, so I will probably change it to that.
You know, UI is better than I thought it would be.
Yeah, but I totally agree with you on that one. They didn't do a shabby job on the UI. At least that is important. But we will see how this thing is going to work. All right. This is first time, so bear with me. This is, I think, the talking about the nozzles, but it doesn't let me click on it. Beds, I can click and see because every single bed over there is exactly independent bed. So you can just use one bed too if you want to. And
More fans.
oh, this is the fan. That's right now. That thing is blowing. Surprisingly small bed for how big the frame is. I'm respectfully disagreeing on that.
LED.
Yes, I just try to push this one back. Okay, let's close the fan. LED. Since we have,
Plug it in.
did we? LEDs are not working. Yeah, I did plug it in. The over there, the DET, DTET0.
This is actually number 1 instead.
We can try. So LEDs are not working. Oh wait, it's the LED on the nozzle is working. You know what I'm
That's the
saying?
one, yeah.
I'm going to change it to DET0. Can you plug it in? Can you
Yeah.
switch the thing? Whoa. Wait, DET0 is the filament detection sensor. Sorry, it's not the LED.
Yeah, it didn't do anything.
This is filament detection. It's not the LED. So there's no LEDs here.
I guess you maybe have like a port you could access and add LEDs later.
Yeah, but yeah, it was our mistake. This is like just the covering of the cables.
Yeah.
This is not LED.
Okay.
Yeah, that's okay. There's no LED. And print. When we click here, we're supposed to see model files. We don't because USB stick is not plugged in.
At least it has a forward-facing USB port.
Yeah.
Something. I just have to crawl back behind that thing to plug it in.
Yeah. Now I'm going to plug this thing in. And all right, I plugged it in. Let's go back to home page. Print. Okay, there are like some stuff in here. There's a Buddha for 2 hours print. Why would I do that? Model, nutshell opener, flower pot, benchy. 3 hours 34 minutes benchy. It might be humongous benchy. Click prepare. Okay, now I just want to show you guys, I guess before I end this video, is the homing sequence of this thing. Let's home this and see how things are gonna go. Now I'm gonna click home all. It is going. Damn it. It's big.
Yep. And slow.
It's going to be pain.
Man.
Why did I do this? I don't know.
It's pretty interesting.
It is. And we got an experience of building a humongous printer.
Yeah.
High five.
High five. Just mess it up.
Yeah. You can load materials over here. There's like a planar things, disabling of the motors. Can I click settings? There are more settings in here. Filament detection, one-click self-check, light control, and there's this leveling. But we are not gonna do this now because I heard that it takes tremendous amount of time. So we're just gonna do the auto homing, and we will end the video. And then I will do another live stream where I will show printing with this machine. That's it. And it has been 94 minutes. Thank you for staying. I appreciate you guys.
I think I saw the bed fully level out at the bottom there.
Is it done? I think it's done.
Yeah.
Good. Now I'm gonna take this. So I can move it, but I need definitely bigger cord. I probably can change that. You see there's like 100mm move up.
The only printer that needs that option.
1, 2, 3, 4. Does it do sequential? Yes, it does. All right. Cool, guys. This is the end of the video, I guess. And yeah, thank you for watching. And I will see you guys in the other video where we will do the print with this thing. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be interesting. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to 3D Printing Doctor's channel. And I would like to especially thank my friend Nick over here.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, thank you for coming and helping me. Otherwise, this wouldn't happen. Yeah, see you guys.